So the next foam roller exercise I'm going to show you is how to properly foam roll your back. Now the hardest thing with foam rolling your back is you don't want to roll directly onto your spine, but you do want to hit the muscles on either side. So the best way to do this is on your foam roller, start at the middle of your back, cross your arms across your chest so that you can get your elbows crossed over like you're hugging yourself, and then placing your feet firmly on the ground, lift your hips up and roll back and forth on your back. You can roll all the way up to your shoulder blades and all the way down to your lower back, up and down just like this. And again, just like any foam roller exercise, do this about 10 to 15 times.